The Port Authority of Jamaica, PAJ, has outlined a security plan it hopes will keep Port Royal from descending into chaos when cruise tourists arrive in the historic town next Monday. At this week's meeting of the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, it was announced that senior members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force will be working closely with private security personnel from government agencies. TVJ's Anthony LUGG tells us more.
Monday, January 20, the day when the Discovery 2 cruise ship operated by Marella Cruises is expected to dock at this port in Port Royal. Preparations are in full swing as the agencies tasked with getting the job completed move quickly to meet their deadline. While that's being done, concerns have been raised about how the influx of visitors could affect the community, which has a very low crime rate. At Wednesday's sitting of the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, PHILLIP, who is also the Member of Parliament for Port Royal, had questions.
What is going to happen next week when everybody in Kingston is aware that these people are coming into Port Royal one way in, one way out? What is the security plan for that? I think that's a fundamental issue that has to be addressed.
President and Executive Director at the Port Authority of Jamaica, Professor Gordon SHIRLEY, told the meeting that the police have been working with a number of agencies, including the Tourism Development Company's security teams.
What I can say, Chairman, is that the JCF at the very highest level of a DCP, ACP, have been working with TPD called Security Arm, with PAJ Security Arm to coordinate a security plan for the Port Royal area, as well as the general safety of the passengers as they move around the corporate area.
Professor SHIRLEY said he did not have all the details, but
I know that they have taken into account, MP PAULWELL, that whole issue of controlling the access to Port Royal by persons who are descending on the area, whether those be robot taxis or others. They are working on some plans to control that.
I don't want to hear the precise details, but again, every year we do a seafood festival over there. And every year we see the characters coming in, and we have therefore had to develop a plan for that. And that is just a couple hours. If you're going to be having cruise ships coming from time to time, the people who live in Port Royal, they need increased security.
The promotion of Port Royal as a cruise destination began in 2018. A number of agencies collaborated to develop a plan for the historic town to be a new tourist destination, which is to be marketed as a package with Kingston. Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.